Hi everyone. Today I want to talk to you about getting in the zone for art. We talk about that and what does that really mean? How do you get in that place where you're not thinking anymore, but you're just experiencing and expressing? And in a way you have to kind of zone out to get into the zone. So today I want to do a little exercise that will help you to experience the beauty of the feeling of what it is to get into the zone. So let's begin today by cleaning off our brush, and we're just going to dip into the yellow and just let the yellow spread out in a lively manner. So we can even have our brush move in a lively manner. And let's add some pure water to the yellow so we can get it lighter and lighter. And just spread that out. And now let's clean off the brush. And we're going to come right into the blue. And we're going to allow this blue to come right on top and create green. And just let the green move out onto the page and let your brush rhythmically repeat the movements all the way across. Now I'm going to wash the brush off and make sure that I get all the blue off of my brush, because I'm going to go back into the yellow, load up with yellow, and I'm going to put it right on top of what I did before. And I'll just let my brush move rhythmically across the page. And just let yours go the way you think it should. Now let's wash again and come right back into the blue, and again in the greens. We'll just allow the brush to move across the page. And yours may be quite a different movement than mine. Be sure you're breathing in and out. So here you can see the results of that green that we just painted, both a light green up above and a rich green down below. And these two greens work very harmoniously on our breathing and our rhythmic system, and we can feel the peace that emanates after painting this.